Hello, friends! Do you like sweets? I just love it! Let's make a chocolate cake. You can give it to your mom or your favorite toy. My Barbie doll will definitely like it. It's her birthday today. First, let's put the flour in a sieve and stir it with a spoon. That's it. Look! The flour is pouring through the sieve right into the plate. Cool. Do you know what it is? This is a quail egg, one of the smallest in the world. Break it into another new bowl. Great. Now we're putting sugar, butter, and milk. Whoa, beautiful! Now we need to mix everything well. Oh, we forgot about the flour. Here. Come on, come on. We won't leave you. See how everything turns into dough together? Wow! Do you want me to show you a trick? Ta-da! I'll make 3 of such doughs and add edible colors. Red, green, and yellow. Isn't it great? Pouring 3 doughs into 3 different shapes and putting it in the oven. Well done! Let's give it some time. While our dough is being prepared, let's make an awesome chocolate cream from butter, sugar, and of course, sweet syrup. My mouth is just watering. But for now, we still need to be patient and mix. Very good. Just like that. Now I'll add my favorite Nutella. It'll turn out very tasty. And mixing it well. Wow! See how cool the dough rises in the oven! Don't be afraid, it's alright. This means that it'll be ready soon. Wow! I made delicious cupcakes! Which one do you like best? I will use everything. I'll cut out the middle and eat the rest. So far, top, you're no longer needed. Now let's build a tower of 3 colors. And green first. I'll spread Nutella here to glue all the colors together. And now, yellow. What color is left? That's right. Now we're gonna use red. These are colors of the traffic light. Well done. Now I'll decorate the cake with chocolate cream. Look, I twist the cake and smear the cream. On top too. My doll loves chocolate, and me too. I'll do everything exactly to make it beautiful. Wow! But that is not all. And here's the most interesting thing. I'll make some Nutella drops. It's like rain. And it also looks like candies. How do you like this idea? I really like it. And some sprinkles on top. I love decorating cakes with it. It looks amazing. I can't wait to try our magnificent cake soon. Do you want to know what's inside? Let's see. Ta-da! This is a real miracle! It turned out very nice and delicious. Congratulations! Enjoy your meal. We're great fellows. Guys, make sure to try to do this at home. It was super easy, trust me. Hello guys! Do you want to learn how to cook like your mom? Then look, I'll show you now. Who's the one in Potbelly guy here? It's Onion. Do you know what kind of magical ability an onion has? He knows how to cause tears. When you cut it, whether you want it or not, you start crying. Yeah, he's a real magician. No one has ever managed to hold back tears. Everyone was rowing like 3 cows. If you don't believe me, cut it yourself. Here's such an amazing vegetable, with character and bright taste. Moving on. Ginger is in front of us now. It is very similar to onions. They're best friends. Cutting it and putting aside. Now, this red kid is a pepper. It is very sweet and delicious. Let's add it too. There we go. And also beans and cilantro. It will turn out very good. Well, how about carrots? Do you like carrots? I just love it. It's so sweet and crunchy. What a beauty. And this is our fish meat. The princess among all. We'll put it separately, actually. There we go. Let's cut it. And now, we'll put them aside as well. Perfect. It's time to make a very delicious sauce from milk and orange curry scent. Adding it in. Wow, it's so soft. Do you like it? At the end, I will add fish sauce. There we go. Sugar. And lime juice. Hooray! We're doing great. Now you just need to mix it. Our amazing sauce is ready. Grease the frying pan with oil and fry the onion and ginger. Putting them in. Look, they've literally turned gold. Wow. Pour the sauce over them. Let them bathe in it. Whoa. Well, what about everyone else? They want to swim too. Great. And Cinderella, our princess, always comes last to the ball. Now everyone is together and everyone is having fun. It'll be very tasty. Ready. Well, what about Prince? Now we will cook some rice. Are you comfortable there? I think so. And setting the timer. Are you ready to meet the princess fish? Let's put the rice first. Oh, yeah, it's coming out. And here's our goldfish with his entourage. There we go. My mouth is watering. It's so delicious. They're the best couple in the world. Ta-da! A little cilantro for happiness. What a beauty. Enjoy your meal. Hurry up and show your masterpiece to Mom or whoever is closest. They'll be thrilled, just like me. This is a real miracle. I can't tear myself away. Thank you, friends. I hope you enjoyed it. I tried very hard. Put a like and subscribe. I will be pleased. If you also like to cook, do not hesitate to cook with us. Let's do miracles together. See you soon. Bye.